Tired of yoga pants that are either too tight or see-through? Well, let me tell you about these amazing Sunzel wide leg pants. They're a total game changer for curvy girls like me. These pants are made of buttery soft, stretchy fabric. These pants have a built-in tummy control panel that helps smooth things out without feeling restrictive. The wide waistband sits comfortably on your hips, keeping everything in place. And these pants aren't just for yoga, they're perfect for running errands, lounging at home, or even dressing up for casual outings. So basically, these Sunzel wide leg pants are the comfy, stylish yoga pants you've been dreaming of. So ditch those old leggings and treat yourself to a pair. Your curves will thank you. A quick disclaimer here, I received these pants free to try.